In this video, we'll outline how to access the SugarConnect portal, how to use SugarConnect to easily sync your meetings and contacts, and how to use the SugarConnect meeting scheduler. Let's start by accessing the SugarConnect portal. The SugarConnect portal is a website that's available to all SugarConnect users as a supplement to the sidebar. It's also where you'll go to enable your calendar and contact sync, as well as access the meeting scheduler. You can access the portal by going to your options menu within the sidebar and selecting Open SugarConnect Portal. SugarConnect is going to sync meetings between Sugar and your Google Calendar. After the initial sync, events that are assigned to you in Sugar will be synced automatically. You'll know that the synchronization is complete once you see calendar synchronization has been initialized and there's a timestamp for the last sync that took place, the time of the next scheduled sync, and the calendar that was enabled. Now let's take a look at SugarConnect's built-in scheduling system. It allows you to provide a custom link to your meeting scheduling page, which then syncs with your Google Calendar. Click on Scheduler in the left panel. The scheduler comes preloaded with 3 event types, which represent standard 60, 30, and 15-minute meetings. You can copy the meeting link, which you can then copy directly to an email, chat client, or other messaging service. You can also edit the event type, which will pull up the configuration screen. There, you can choose the name and description of the event, the duration of the event in minutes, the minimum scheduled notice, enable the option to create leads in CRM, limit the days available for this events type in the calendar, and the availability, where you can set the days of the week and hours of the day for the invitees to choose from. Any existing events on your synced calendar will automatically be deducted from the available hours. You can also enable or disable the availability of the day, edit the hours of the day to be available, and set 1 or more windows of time to be available within a day by interval. You can also delete any event type and toggle the event type to enable or disable its availability. You can also create a new event type by clicking Add Event Type. For example, if you want to meet with John for 30 minutes on Monday or Tuesday morning, you can create a new event type called Meeting with John and set the availability to only the morning hours for Monday or Tuesday. When you share the scheduling link with John, he will be able to select from any of these times, minus the times which are blocked off due to existing meetings on your synced calendar. When you're ready to set up a meeting with someone, click on the Copy Scheduler link icon for the relevant event type. The URL for the scheduler page will be stored in your clipboard, and you can paste it into a new message. When the recipient clicks on the link, they'll see your availability based on your synced calendar and the meeting type. They will then click on the link and choose the meeting time that works best for them. Here's an example of the page they will see. The invitee should click on the time they prefer and will then be prompted to enter their personal information. On save, they will see a screen with the meeting details and will receive an email with the subject SugarConnect Confirm Booking Schedule. The invitee must click the link in the confirmation email in order to successfully schedule the meeting. It will only be scheduled when the link is clicked. The meeting details will then be sent to you in an automated email with the subject line starting with Booked Meeting. SugarConnect will also add the meeting to your calendar with the status Busy and will send a formal invite to the invitee who can then accept this meeting request to add it to their calendar. Thanks so much for watching.